Welcome to our True Glasgow property, and what I'm going to do is give you a full room tour to see what you will get in your room when you move in with us in September. So first up, when you come into your room space, you will see that you have coat hooks to the side here. Great to put your bags on or your coat when you come in from university. Then further along, you will see that you have a wall-mounted panel heater. This is what will keep you nice and warm in the winter. You can control this and make it as hot or as cold as you would like it. This is obviously suits your preference. And then on the other side, you will see your ensuite bathroom. So coming on in, you can see that these bathrooms are beautiful. They're fully tiled throughout. You can see that you have a large mirror, great for making sure you're looking good before you leave to uni in the morning. You have a sink with under sink storage. You have a large shelf to the top, a toilet, and of course, a large shower with a waterfall shower head and a side shower. Then you also have lots of towel hooks, and a towel rail here as well. So moving on into the room space as well, after we've finished our tour of the bathroom, you will get to your wardrobe space. So of course, it's the place that you can hang up your clothes. You've got a large shelf to the top, which is really nice and deep for you to store things up there. You have a rail in the middle, which is great for your hanging items. And then you have more large shelves to the bottom. Then on the other side, you have a full-length mirror. Great for making sure you're looking good before you leave to university. And of course, there's a plug socket down here. So this is where you can use your hair dryers, your straighteners, your hairstylers, and of course, style your hair in front of your mirror. Then we come on into the main bedroom space. So as you can see, you've got your bed here and your desk area over here. We know that when you're coming to stay with us, you are going to be studying, and the studying is probably one of the most important things you're going to do. So that's why we've given you a really good desk and workspace in your room. You can see that you have a really large desk area with a pinboard to the back. So you can put up your posters, your university timetables. You can make this as personal to you. There's two large shelves up to the top, great for putting your books, your folders, all your university work. And of course, you've also got plug sockets on this side with USB ports and a light switch for the desk light that you have behind the pinboard. Of course, we've given you a really comfortable study chair with great back support for when you're doing those long study sessions, and you have drawers to the side here as well, so you can hide away your items in there. Then turning around, you get to your bed space, but you can also see here that you have a bedside table. With, again, you have plug sockets with USB ports to the back, so great to charge your phone at night or your iPad and stuff like that. The bed that you have here is a full standard double, so it will certainly keep you nice and comfortable, and it's fitted with our true luxury mattress, so you will certainly have a good night's sleep here. The bed is an ottoman bed, and what that means is that it lifts up and there is underbed storage. Great for putting your suitcases, your boxes and bags and stuff that you want to hide away, and it's on hydraulic springs, so it's really easy to lift up and down. On the other side, you will see that you get your own TV in your room. This TV is great. It's fitted with all the Freeview capabilities, so you can watch the BBC, ITV, stuff like that. It's also a smart TV, but it even has our own True website. So what that means is you can go on there, and our True portal, you can look at your events that are coming up this week. You can have a look at our recent guidance, or even you can let us know if you've got any maintenance issues in your rooms, and it comes straight down to our staff who will be straight up to sort that for you. Underneath, you have even more storage. So you've got cupboards either side and shelves to the middle. And then we get to your really large window. You have two full-size window panes that open as such, which give you a lot of fresh air to the top here. And then, of course, you have a really large blackout curtain. great for if you want to have a bit of an afternoon nap, or you want to have a lie-in on a Saturday and you don't want the sunlight to wake you up. So this is our true apartment room.